of unbound. Eurydice, the silence fell. Fate's cruel venom broke the spell.
Through shadows deep, he dared descend to plead beneath the world's dark end. Before the throne of Hades' might, he sang, and stars were born from night.
Turn not back, the warning cry. Bring her forth, your love, your bride. One step, one breath toward the sun. He swore they walk as one. Step by step through the silence cold. No voice, no word, just fingers holding. Trembling trust, they climbed the gloom till light began to chase the doom. The
Final stair, the breath of day turned, and love was torn away.
Eurydice, a shadow passed, and tears became a vast river.
How cruel you are, oh love divine, to draw us near, then break the line. One glance, one doubt, one fatal slip, and all returns to shadow's grip.
The world was hushed, the lyre wept. His grief in silent chords was kept. Alone beneath the starlit dome,
Even Athena
he called
herself
her
cannot
name,
match his
forever
skill.
home.
The stars grew dim with sorrow's sound. His song became the sky's lament. Oh Orpheus, sing on, sing true, let love remember you. The lyre cries, the night wind sighs. Eurydice beneath the skies.
And love, though lost, will still remain in Orpheus' eternal refrain.
Oh, lost souls, hear my song, let its gentle note